I'm Vin of the BTC Sessions, and this is your Bullish Bit, brought to you by the Bitcoin 2023 conference in Miami Beach, Florida, May 18th through 20th. Head down, check out 15,000 plus attendees, 2,000 plus companies, and 150 plus speakers, including people like Matt Odell, Alex Gladstein, Lynn Alden, Michael Saylor, and many more to be announced. This will be my 4th time attending. Don't miss it. b.tc/conference. Use code BTC Sessions at checkout for 10% off.
I think the interesting thing too is, like, it's almost like, are we asking the right questions? Because they can ban Bitcoin in theory, right? But they can't like ban self-custody, to the comments point. So they can't fully ban it. And so it's almost like, what are we worried about? I think sometimes we spend too much time concerned or sort of have this like anxiety about like these hypothetical scenarios, where as Bitcoiners, we need to recognize that we have all the leverage and we have the upper hand and we have time. I love what Cedric said about that they have bigger problems than Bitcoin, because, you know, if you play out the game theory, it's like, even though it feels like we're under attack, and we are, they're coming for us and they get it, they do have much bigger problems to deal with. And so we still have, I think, a little bit of room to really capitalize on this opportunity to onboard people, to educate people, to get people on this life raft, and to really propel a hyper Bitcoinization forward in a way that we might not have after it's kind of too late. And so I think asking the right questions about what their actual attack vectors are and where they can come after us is an important part of the whole conversation, because too often we focus on these hypothetical scenarios that may never even come to fruition.